Hey there, amazing viewers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of mindful parenting, and trust me, you won't want to miss a second of it. In this fast-paced digital age, connecting with our kids on a deeper level can be a challenge, but fret not, we've got the ultimate solution for you. Buckle up as we explore practical techniques and strategies to enhance your connection with your little ones. But before we get started, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss our valuable content. Let's dive in. 1. Understanding mindful parenting. In today's fast-paced and technology-driven world, parents often find themselves struggling to connect with their children on a deeper level. The constant distractions and demands of modern life can hinder the cultivation of meaningful relationships between parents and their kids. Mindful parenting offers a powerful solution, allowing parents to foster a genuine connection and nurture a strong bond with their children. Mindful parenting is an approach that involves being fully present and attentive in your interactions with your child. It encourages parents to embrace each moment with their child, free from judgment and preoccupation with the past or future. By being in the present moment, parents can better understand their child's needs, emotions, and thoughts. When practicing mindful parenting, it's essential to set aside distractions and engage in active listening. Let your child know that you are genuinely interested in what they have to say, creating an environment where open communication can thrive. By being fully present with your child, you build trust and encourage them to share their feelings and experiences openly. 2. Cultivating presence with children. To cultivate presence with children, parents can practice various techniques that promote mindfulness and attentiveness. Mindful listening. When your child is sharing their thoughts or experiences, give them your full attention. Maintain eye contact, nod, and provide verbal cues to let them know you are listening attentively. Resist the urge to interrupt or rush the conversation. Example: when your child excitedly shares a story about their day at school, put aside any distractions and actively listen to every detail they share. Mindful playtime. Engage in playtime activities with your child mindfully. Instead of passively supervising, immerse yourself in the play and connect with your child on their level. Be fully present, actively participating, and appreciating the joy and wonder of play. Example: if your child is building a block tower, join them in the activity, discussing your strategies and enjoying the process together. Mindful daily rituals. Incorporate mindful practices into your daily routines. Whether it's having meals together as a family, bedtime stories, or morning walks, approach these activities with presence and intention. Example: during family dinners, create a tradition of sharing one positive thing that happened to each family member during the day, fostering gratitude and connection. 3. Building strong parent-child bonds. Parent-child bonding is vital for a child's emotional well-being and development. Engaging in activities together strengthens the parent-child relationship and builds trust and understanding. Here are some practical bonding activities. Family outings. Plan regular family outings where each family member takes turns choosing an activity they all participate in. This approach promotes unity and shared interests, creating lasting memories together. Example: visit a local park, museum, or take a nature hike together as a family. Cooking together. Involve your child in meal preparation. Cooking together not only allows for quality bonding time but also teaches valuable life skills and promotes healthy eating habits. Example: let your child choose a recipe, shop for ingredients together, and work as a team to prepare the meal. Family game nights. Set aside a specific night each week for family game time. Engage in board games, card games, or outdoor activities, fostering friendly competition and laughter. Example: play a board game where everyone's contribution and decision-making are valued, emphasizing cooperation and teamwork. 4. Mindful parenting techniques for better connection. A. Breathing exercises. Teach your child simple breathing exercises to help them manage stress and emotions. Practice them together, emphasizing the importance of taking deep breaths during challenging moments. Example: when your child feels overwhelmed, encourage them to take 3 deep breaths to calm their minds before discussing the issue. B. Mindful emotion exploration. Set aside time to explore emotions with your child. Create a safe space where they can express their feelings openly, helping them better understand their emotions and learn healthy ways to cope. Example: have emotion sessions where you discuss different emotions, their causes, and how to respond appropriately. C. Gratitude practice. Encourage a daily gratitude practice where both you and your child share things you are grateful for. This fosters positivity and strengthens the bond between you. Example: before bedtime, share at least 3 things each of you is grateful for that happened during the day. 5. Nurturing emotional intelligence. Mindful parenting also involves nurturing emotional intelligence in children. Emotional intelligence helps children recognize and manage their emotions, understand others' feelings, and develop empathy. Here are some practical steps. A. Model emotional intelligence. Be a role model for emotional intelligence by expressing your feelings and reactions thoughtfully. Show your child how to handle challenging emotions constructively. Example: if you make a mistake, acknowledge it, and share how you plan to rectify the situation. B. Emotional validation. When your child is upset or frustrated, validate their emotions by acknowledging their feelings. Offer comfort and support to help them navigate difficult emotions. Example: if your child is feeling sad because they didn't win a game, say, "I can see that you're feeling disappointed. It's okay to feel that way. Let's talk about how you can try again next time." C. Conflict resolution. Teach your child effective ways to resolve conflicts and disagreements. Encourage active listening, compromise, and finding common ground. Example: if your child is having a disagreement with a friend, guide them through a conversation to understand each other's perspectives and find a solution together. 6. Utilizing mindful communication. Effective communication is a cornerstone of mindful parenting. The way you communicate with your child can significantly impact your relationship. Here are some mindful communication techniques. A. Active listening. When your child speaks, be fully present and attentive. Give them your complete focus, so they feel heard and valued. Example: if your child tells you about an exciting achievement, stop what you're doing, look at them, and celebrate their success. B. Choosing words mindfully. Be conscious of your words and tone when communicating with your child. Use positive and encouraging language to build their self-esteem. Example: instead of saying, "You never clean up your room," try saying, "I would appreciate it if you could tidy up your room more often." C. Encouraging open communication. Create an environment where your child feels comfortable expressing themselves. Avoid judgment and criticism, and encourage them to share their thoughts and feelings openly. Example: if your child makes a mistake, assure them that it's okay to make errors and that they can always come to you for support. 7. Mindful parenting resources. In your journey of mindful parenting, it's beneficial to seek additional resources and support. Fortunately, numerous books, articles, and online platforms offer valuable insights and techniques. Some highly recommended resources include books: The Whole Brain Child by Daniel J. Siegel and Tina Payne Bryson, Parenting from the Inside Out by Daniel J. Siegel and Mary Hartzell, and Everyday Blessings: The Inner Work of Mindful Parenting by Myla and John Kabat-Zinn. Websites and apps. Websites like mindful.org and Greater Good Magazine provide helpful articles on mindful parenting. Mindfulness apps like Headspace and Calm offer guided meditations and exercises to enhance mindfulness practices. Parenting workshops and classes. Look for local parenting workshops or online classes that focus on mindful parenting techniques. These workshops often provide a supportive community of like-minded parents. In conclusion, mindful parenting is a transformative approach that empowers parents to create meaningful and lasting connections with their children. By being fully present, actively listening, and embracing empathy, parents can nurture emotional bonds that foster trust, understanding, and open communication. Practical application of mindful parenting starts with incorporating simple techniques into your daily interactions with your child. Engage in mindful listening during conversations, set aside distractions during playtime, and be intentional during family rituals and outings. These small but powerful steps can make a significant difference in the quality of your parent-child relationship. Additionally, nurturing emotional intelligence in your child is key to their overall development. Encourage emotional exploration and validation, helping them navigate the complexities of their feelings. By modeling emotional intelligence and conflict resolution, parents provide valuable life lessons that will serve their children well in the future. Mindful communication plays a pivotal role in the success of mindful parenting. Choose your words mindfully, using positive and encouraging language, and create an environment where your child feels safe expressing themselves. Remember that communication is a two-way street. Actively listen to your child's thoughts and feelings, making them feel valued and respected. Seek out mindful parenting resources to enhance your understanding and practice. Books, websites, and parenting workshops can provide valuable insights, practical techniques, and a supportive community of like-minded parents on the same journey. Above all, remember that mindful parenting is an ongoing process that requires patience and self-compassion. Embrace each opportunity to connect with your child in the present moment, celebrating their growth and successes while providing a loving and supportive presence during challenging times. As you embark on this mindful parenting journey, you will witness the profound positive impact it has on your child's emotional well-being and the overall harmony within your family. With mindful presence and connection, you are sowing the seeds for a stronger, healthier, and more loving relationship that will endure and flourish through the years.